Hello, viewers. Let's provide answer to this question and set as a form of a revision to the topic we've treated. So we are having the set A is having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and the set B 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are all subsets of the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 8, 12, 18, 36. So we have to list the element of A complement intersection B, A complement intersection B, or complement. So let's see how we can deal with this. First, by indicating the A complement elements that are in the universal set that does not find its way into the set A. So we know I'll be picking from here. 1 is there, 2, 3, 4, 6. So we have 9, 12, 18, and 36 being the complement of the set A. They are saying this complement, this element intersecting B. So therefore, A complement intersection B become the element in the A complement that are also in the B. So checking from here, 9, 9. So 9 is common to the 2, 18, 18. 18 is also common. So this become the intersection of A complement intersection B as the first part. So this is question number 1. The number 2, first thing first, I think we have all we need. A complement is known. A complement intersection B is also known. This is it. So what is the complement of this? The element in the universal that are not found in A complement intersection B. So our A complement intersecting B or complement is going to give us the set of all this minus this. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 is here, so I'll go to 12, 18, 18. So we have 36. So the element that we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 36. I guess you follow. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye bye.